Oh my god. My eyes. The birds. The birds. You know, after that completely non-scripted wake up, I promise I wake up like that with 3 alarms. But, you know, it's currently 4:37. I'm not really used to waking up at that time. Here's the luggage. It's all packed up and stuff. Pretty much ready to go. Gonna go meet up with the boys. It's a video. You're such a... There's the watch. When you show the watch, show the second. Show the second hand. Oh damn! It's not you, Jerry. God damn it. That's so fucking ugly.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true. Fall through and pop one. Know the model, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my cock while your ass ride shotgun.
We're on full recovery date. We're finally going to the boat. The boat. We're gonna be seamen.
Sir. Sit. Sit from here.
We made it.
On the boat.
I need
We're
water.
almost on the boat. We're not getting on the boat.
I need water.
Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the fucking boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on.
We're in the room. Yo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, that's it. Now we're going to the buffet. Pirates on a boat. Pirates on the motherfucking boat. Oh, it's weird holding a camera like this. I can't lie.
Did it first time?
Well, I did it in Toronto, but not with the this or this. This is like so advanced. I can see why. You know how like each of them don't like carrying it, like the side one. They're always like, oh, it's so annoying.
I drip on your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage.
It smells the exact same. It smells the exact
I drip on
same.
your bitch like water.
Oh,
I splash on your bitch with
made it on the boat.
I feel like I'm 21 Savage.
On the boat.
I pull up and fuck on your dog.
I don't really want.
Water.
I'll show it off. The first meal on the boat. The buffet. Got random meat. Burgers.
Imagine being able to eat this.
Oh my god. Oh god, this is copyright music. No! God damn it, copyrighted music. Hopefully. Damn, why is it fucking pickleball? Please pickleball. Seriously.
Oh no, I take it back, bro. Midnight chilling here would hit absolutely different.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's so nice everywhere. At night. It's so crazy. You see this fucking sun beaming? It's fucking hot as shit. Woo! God damn.
It's alright though. Where do you go?
Bro, I'd actually smack you with that shit.
You don't.
I could at least go for like 2 minutes, I'm gone.
I have no idea.
2 minutes or nothing. I am what they call Tiger Woods on the surfboard. No, there's a dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin.
Just fucking vibing, man.
Don't let him bully you guys. He has glasses, but he's a little bit special. They're special glasses. if that's what you want to call them. Thank you.
Welcome.
Cheers. Just ice cream. Birds.
You think they're simulating that?
Oh yeah. We're not boating this park. There's real flowers. We have Magnus Carlsen, #1, and Magnus Carlsen's retarded brother on the left.
What the fuck?
Exhilarating movement. Oh. Okay. Pawn E5 to 729. Z3 kills. Okay. Exhilarating movement. Oh, he's moving the piece. What move next?
Take it.
Hurry up.
Pussy.
Take what?
Oh,
Take it.
Take what?
Hurry up.
What am I taking?
Hurry.
chess. Best sport of the. Oh! Under the moon.
Shut up.
Oh, shit.
No, you're in chat. Fuck off.
Bro, I gotta lie that I have a YouTube channel, but like I need to say I'm like a sociologist or like a psychologist, but I don't know what to say.
Listen, you're a test subject. Andrew's studying you.
We're studying rhisology. I'm a psychologist studying the marine life. Bro, I gotta study like marineology.
Study how to get bitches, and he's our test subject.
I don't think we're ever gonna get a bitches, but we could try. Oh, there's no bench. Oh, I guess there is. At least that's Smith. Oh, there's also the benches. Oh, nice. Do a muscle up.
I get my arm over.
I'll show you a muscle up on this. Come on. Alright, let the pros handle. Get it out of the way.
Nice job, Mr. Professional.
No.
There you go.
One grilled cheese. One grilled cheese.
Why does the water have chocolate cake with caramel sauce?
What do you mean?
How the fuck does that come with water?
Another grilled cheese. One tomato soup. Chicken tenders.
Okay.
Chicken tenders. Chicken tenders. Greek salad. Grilled salmon. Chicken Tony Paul. A fucking quesadilla.
That's so fun.
Just desserts. They just wrote desserts. Tea. Iced tea. Fucking buffalo wings. And that's it.
Wait. Can you add more water?
Oh, Jason.
Hey, you're like, wait.
9:38.
Go back. Add more water. I need more water.
Oh, fucking way. I have to go all the way back.
It's not that hard. It's not. No, it's not that. Did you just send it?
Yeah?
You fucking whore.
Service phone operator?
Where's our phone? It's under here.
You never moved it? You don't move the phone. I can't move it.
There's nowhere for it to move.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, we need it. We're never gonna move. That's crazy.
Alright, it's ready to be dialed.
My brother. Oh, okay, no, the mold is bigger than the...
Ew, bro, that shit looks old as hell. That shit looks like they made it first, and then spent 2 hours cooking the rest of the shit.
Where's the tomato soup?
Dude, I think there's another one down here.
No way, there's a cheesecake. Where did that come from?
What's in here? Chicken wings.
Dude,
Okay.
this is so fucked up, bro. Holy fuck.
Yo, that's actually crazy.
Holy fuck, my asshole got gay. Fuck me.
Just kill that whole shit.
Oh my god.
20 plus plates of food.
Why?
Why, God, why?
It's nap time now.
That was crazy.
Jeremy's first prom. First prom day. Yeah, I can't wait for him to pipe that girl after the dance.
Yo,
Unprotected.
Hey, watch it.
With a formal dinner, all dressed up, collar and everything. We're getting cream pie. We're getting cream pies.
I also got a bunch of cream pie.
3 boys are getting cream pie.
Dressed up.
Come back.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm uploading that. It's uploaded. Okay.
Let's even argue with us. Please show me the free thermal from doing that. Just that fruity ass shit.
Bro, we should. That's actually portable. You actually get me banned.
Bro, I mean, it's the watch, yo. See this watch? This shit is low-key changing, man. I feel like that.
Bro, yo, look at it. Look at it. Show the second. Show the second hand. Show the second hand. Oh, the food's here. Okay. Got a little prime rim, New York strip, a bolognese.
That's crazy. Yo, relax.
How the fuck are you? How do you miscount 4 words?
That's what you got. What the fuck?
Let's go!
And then this. Pirates on the boat.
Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat.
What the fuck?
Like booty. Pirates.
No, it's
Yo, I just did pirate hunk and a fucking eye patch and a fucking
the first one was gonna be pointing at your ass. What's wrong with you?
How is it not hunk or eye patch?
I don't know. I did the parrot.
No. You said I was gonna do.
Yeah, I did the parrot first. It's recorded. It's recorded. I did the parrot first, and then I was gonna put my ass.
That just look like a furry dude. That's
I don't know, man.
They're telling each other they're crying.
Boys.
Is that 1 or 2? That's 2.
Okay.
Furry, rabbit, bunny.
Tyrannosaurus Rex on the boat. Tyrannosaurus Rex on the boat. Hitting this cash, bitch. I ain't even scared. I'ma do what I gotta do to get this bread. Niggas say I'm up. Feel like a chicken leg, skinny ass bitch. You like a chicken foot. Everybody know I be on the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat.
Jeez. SpongeBob.
Yeah.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
Yeah.
SpongeBob.
On the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat. Pirates on the boat.